Unboxing the Stingray Gen 1, be sure to check out the instruction sheet and thank you card. And before we get started, let's take a moment for some satisfying blue film release. Not all models have the blue film, so if you don't have it, you're one step ahead. With a Phillips screwdriver, remove both locking screws on either side of the reflector tray and set those aside. Then lift the reflector tray and set aside. For power, remove the center knockout and thread the power input wire through it. Use appropriate hardware to mount the fixture in the available holes. Now you can hang the reflector tray for easier wiring. Pull the slack you need for the power cable and start to wire. Attach the ground wire using a wire nut. Be sure to make a secure connection. On the fixture wire harness, unclip the business end of the yellow quick connector. Insert the white neutral wire in the white side and the black hot wire in the black side. Then reclip into the wire harness. The fixture is now wired. Now tuck all wires inside the reflector tray and swing it up into place. Using the Phillips head screws, secure the tray on both ends. Now install the T8 LED tube. Insert the pins, twist, and lock in. As always, get more at PrimeLights.com.